Hello, I'm Marta Evanson, Senior Designer with Living Water Landscapes, and I'm in the middle of Las Vegas in the back of a mid-century modern home. Last year, I renovated their front yard, and this year they decided they wanted to renovate their backyard. It all started with a pool renovation. They wanted to replaster the pool, retile the pool, but what needed to come from there with the old landscape that they had was a beautiful park-like landscape. So we pulled out the old palm trees and the silly little mounds that were underneath them, the old red rock that was very popular in those old days, and a bunch of old grass that had just died. My clients wanted a park-like setting. They wanted to bring in the trees, rock for pathways. They wanted to modernize the space and just make it their own, where they could come out here and feel like they were out in a park. And several years from now, it's going to be like a forest in here. Over into this area, we brought in a lemon tree, and behind it, she's going to add garden boxes so that she can grow herbs and flowers and vegetables. We built a retaining wall across the back to enlarge the space and enhance the most gorgeous magnolias here in town. We came in here with a crane and lifted all of them over the house and got them in precisely the right location. So we've got these pathways that lead us through the trees that will be amazingly big one day and just beautiful shade. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we just finished this planting less than 2 months ago and everything seems to be twice as big as it was when it was planted. And that's due to proper installation and a fertilizer injector that constantly feeds these plants. This space is a park setting for my homeowners. And I was so happy to be able to bring this dream of theirs and the design together and enhance their backyard, a place they just don't want to leave. I'm Marta Evanson, Senior Designer with Living Water Landscapes.